Hey guys, Mr. Kate again, and I've had several students having some issues with their internet connections, and so I thought I'd throw out this video, maybe try to help you guys out a little bit with it. If you're using Google Meet, you would go to the Google Meet. In the bottom right-hand corner is going to be these three dots. You're going to want to click on those three dots. Go to Settings, and you'll see on Settings you got Audio, Video, and host controls. You want to go to Video. And over here it says standard resolution, and yours is going to probably say auto. Auto's better than it was, but not as good as it should be. Auto just means it's going to use the highest level that it possibly can at that particular moment in time. And if it's 720, it's going to be like you're on the 405 freeway, and all of a sudden you're going to slam into a bunch of cars and traffic, and the next thing you know, you're stopped and you're not going anywhere. So you want to force that into a 360p. So you want to, don't put it on auto. Click it on 360p. And same thing with this one here, receiving resolution. You want to receive your input at 360. You still get a really good image at 360. The difference will be like night and day. It'll be like there's no traffic on the 405 versus there's a lot of traffic on the 405. So if you force those two to 360p, it should free up a lot of your internet and clear up at least some of your internet problems. Maybe not all, but maybe some. So if you're having some internet connections and it keeps flickering, jumping, clicking on and off, you may want to try that. And if you're having problems with audio, well, you can go to audio and play with those settings also. All right, hopefully that helps you. Let me know if it does.